welcome back to my channel. My name is Tasia and I like doing videos about work from home life, social media tips, as well as green and organic beauty. Today we're going to be doing a quick hair tutorial. I often get questions about how I straighten my hair. I have naturally 3A or 3B curly hair. I have a bit of a mix. If you check out some of my other videos, you will see that my hair is typically curly, and these days I tend to leave my hair naturally curly more often than I straighten it. I've been on a bit of a curly hair journey for the last year. If you've been following my channel, you would see that these days I'm using things in my hair that are avoiding more of the harsher chemicals out there. I definitely want to stick to hair products that nourish my curls and definitely don't add anything that is unnecessary. So I'll definitely link to the products I'm using in today's video below. So definitely check those out if you're also looking for products that are more organic or more naturally based. So I will show you exactly what I do to straighten my curly hair, and you can watch it step by step from how I take it from curls to making it look like this. So of course we're going to want to start with a freshly washed head of hair. So I'm using the Innocence Hydrating Cream Hair Bath, and then I follow that with the Crayola Essence Deep Conditioning Hair Mask, and finalizing that with a Innocence Hydrating Cream Conditioner. After I get out of the shower, I wrap my hair in a microfiber towel. This one is by Evolatree, and by using microfiber, you're less likely to get breakage, split ends, and less frizz, and it tends to absorb the water quicker than a regular towel. So to add some moisture to my hair, I'm going to put in the Sweet Spirit Leave-In Conditioner by Innocence. And then I'm going to follow that up with the Innocence Hair Love Prep Spray. And this is to protect my hair from some heat damage from both using the hair dryer as well as the hair straightener. I'm going to break out my trusty hair dryer. I've had this one for a while. I picked it up from Sally's. It's just a JVP Pro one, and it has different adapters. So I'm going to change out my diffuser and use my hair straightener one instead, which really just helps concentrate the air and really just accelerate the straightening process. I'm going to grab my brush through it, and then I use the combination of the brush with my hair dryer and just go through it one section at a time and really do a lot of the straightening through the hair dryer before I even get into the straightener. The straightener is more just like to polish off the look. The actual straightening process should be taking place with your hair dryer first. As you can see, I'm on to my last section, so I'm almost done all of the hair drying. This is usually the time that I break out my hair straightener, and I usually plug it in so that it has enough time to start warming up by the time that I am done getting through all of my blow drying. This is my ceramic hair straightener by JVP Pro. Also picked it up from Sally's, and isn't it adorable in this fuchsia color? I usually set the heat for around 400 degrees. I feel like this is a good temperature, enough to straighten my hair and really polish the look, but not so unnecessarily hot that I'm concerned about scorching my hair. And as you can see, most of the blow drying has made my hair fairly straight already. At this point, it's just really about making my hair silky smooth. And I also love adding in some bounce and some curls at the bottom of my hair. I don't particularly love a purely straight look. I like having some volume. I achieve really big curls by simply using my hair straightener like a curling iron. So I get down to the end, clamp down,
roll it all the way back up to the roots and leave it there for about 30 seconds to a minute. I'm gonna do a little dance there. And then you unroll it out and usually end up with these nice big luscious curls at the bottom, and I feel like it gives it a much more glamorous look. It really helps you accentuate any layers that you have cut into your hair and just really makes you feel like you just came out of the salon. So I'm going to section out my hair and do this all over my head, and then I will come back when I'm all finished. Voila, I am all done. I have gone through all the sections of my hair, and the last thing I do is I break out my argan oil. So this is just pure argan oil. I got this one from One and Only from Sally's, and I just put a tiny bit. You really only need like a couple of drops because this thing is really concentrated for an oil. I rake my hands through my hair with the oil, which really helps distribute it, and this loosens up the curls, and as well the argan oil gives you some shine and protection from humidity.
So this is the final product. This is what my hair looks like after I straighten it. I definitely love using Intersense products because they tend to leave my hair a little bit more hydrated. The only thing about straightening naturally curly hair is that you tend to really dry it out, and it's used to enjoying lots of moisture, lots of hydration, and when you're leaving your hair naturally curly, you usually soak it with water and a number of different products to keep all of that moisture locked in. It's a little bit hard to do when you've straightened your hair, so definitely check out my next video. I'm gonna show you exactly how I maintain this hairstyle. I'll show you exactly how I keep this hairstyle for nearly up to a week and how I really help infuse a lot of the moisture back into my hair over the next couple of days without undoing the straightening, and also maintaining some of the curls that I have put into my hair using the hair straightener. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and spending your time with me today, and I will see you next week. Asia, and I like doing videos about, what do I like doing videos about? Very eloquent of me. Oh my gosh, let's go. This is ridiculous. My brain just wants to go outside. It doesn't want to film this video right now. It just is like, I just see sunshine and I just want to be outside right now. About YouTube. Okay. My other videos. Organic mint products. So I will link the products. Oh my gosh.